May 11th, 2025. Hi everyone and welcome back to another little video. So you guys are going to watch me do two little things in the house because I am in no state to do any sit down, fix up yourself video. So let's do some chores. So the lead up to May 11th, 2025. I don't know what I did though. I was good. It's like somebody told me last year that that day was not going to be a good day, and I'm not gonna realize till the day come. I may say, but the day I almost reach, I'm not feel no way. I'm a good man, but I look like a day pass, I'm crash out. Little did I know, the night before I was fine. I was laughing, me I do all the things, and then I go sleep, and I woke up, and the day just did. Like the day just did. Like the day did right so. Like I opened my eyes, people, and the day just died right there. My body, my mind, everything just knew that today was this day and something missing. And me like Jerome was cooking dinner, and he did have an appointment, so he did have to run left it and come back, and him say watch it for me, and me did it, and I totally forgot that he did say watch this something, because me means the whole day me lay down in the bed, me no want talk to nobody phone and D&D, me scroll through TikTok, me not talk to nobody not hear from me on that day. And then like the smoky smell travel come around the room, I'm like, oh my god, Jeremy gonna kill me, because the food I made a cook about up, I'm a run go around there, and it did just like a start burn, so the gravy did a burn. So I hurry up and transfer the pot and something. I did have it in mind, like, yeah, me go get up and go sort out this and da 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 da. Totally drop out of my brain, because I don't know, my brain just need a function on that day. And then me get up and I say him did have to run out again. So me get up and I say, alright, I'm gonna go cook down the food, get it like a gravy back and everything. Me stand up over the pot of pure water. Me I wash out two little plate of pure water. And me just I think, oh, the lady just bring me here and have me here, me and her all this time, these 30 hot years. And then the lady just pack up and gone with me. Like, what you mean? What you mean by that? Like, I've never been here without you before, my G. Like, how this work? You know when you have a cold and your nose stuff up your throat at hurt you, like, you know, your nose just a run, like everything I go on your head hurt you and everything, and you sit down in the midst of that cold, and you try to remember a few days ago when you could breathe fine, you never have a headache, your nose never stuff up, like your throat never hurt you, like you were okay, everything was fine, and you just appreciate your nose now, like, boy, I remember a time when this nose worked. I remember a time when I didn't have to worry about breathing. Like, it hit me like that. Because when you're well, nose just there and it'll serve you and you go about a day, you know, business. Like, but when you have a cold, you realize, say, why you know, so the nose that treat me good though. Me that breathe good enough. Me that breathe perfectly fine. And look at me now. But anyways, I say that to say, big up my friend, what did tell me say that day I gonna be a shambles day. I mean, cause the day I lead up and me that say no, me it all miss me. Yeah, big up my friend, what did tell me, because she did want me and me didn't hear. For all the people that still have that significant person in their life, big up Uno. I'm happy for you all, but I'm not gonna lie, me never want to see it. I'm not going to lie, like I am happy for my friends and my family that still have that significant person. Big up Uno. Love them down to the ground. Treat them with the utmost respect and all of that. But me just bad mind that day. Me not like me bad mind the whole all I don't know what me could have say. Yeah man, me the bad mind, no bad. Based on what I've heard, it doesn't get any better. You just learn to deal with it more or cope better. But it never gets better. You just learn to cope. And just cherish your significant persons in your life, because death is such a final thing. It's not like this somebody gonna foreign and you're not see them but you can call them. Death is such a final thing. Like, it just done, delete. Like, you know, when you do your work, you know, other people them from back in a floppy disk days. When you do your SBA on a floppy disk and you care that figure print and nothing on it. Death is such a final thing. So cherish those around you. Big up on yourself. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.